Okay, this is a really basic video on how to add some text to the screen. So again, if there's any areas of the code that isn't commented that you don't know what it means, you need to go back to some of the previous videos where I've explained all that. What this video is focusing on is just these lines of code here. So again, if I want to draw something to the screen, I need to make sure it comes in the drawing section of the code and after where I filled the screen to white, otherwise that'll overwrite it and it won't appear. And then there's just these three lines of code here. So the first one, I'm setting a font variable to equal pygame.font.systemFont. Okay, and that takes three parameters, which is the font type, the size, and then these true or falses means bold and italic. So the first true means bold, so I'm making it bold, and if I said that one's true, it'd also be italic, or you could obviously have them both false. Okay, so that sets the system font. Then I'm going to render some text. So when rendering true, it means it's using anti-aliasing technique. So anti-aliasing is that when it gets a bit pixelated, that sort of stairway effect. So it's a way of trying to reduce that. So you say text equals font.render, and then you give it some text. Say true to try and use anti-aliasing to make it look a bit nicer, and then it needs a color. And then finally we put it on the screen. Okay, so we do screen, which is our surface up here. So screen.blit. Blit's another method that you'll use. You'll use blit quite a lot and flip. So blit to do an individual thing. So we'll flip that text to the screen, that rendered text, and then these are the starting coordinates for the text. And when we run it, sorry, it takes a minute to appear. Again, I should have pressed this early, and there we've got it. Okay, and that's it. It's obviously really basic, but it's just a starting block so you can see how to do some text to a screen as well.